Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konemi. For today's reading, the question will be, anong nakakainis sa'yo? So, choose 1, 2, or 3, whichever is calling out to you. This is a general reading, by the way. If it doesn't resonate, please do not take the message. And if you would like to have a paid personal reading with me, check the description box below. Nandyan lang po yung contact info ko. Okay? I'm going to choose number 2. How about you? Pause if you need more time. Okay? If you have chosen number 1, anong nakakainis sa'yo? I'm being drawn to the Taurus, so maybe matigas sa ulo mo. So yun nga, matigas nga ulo mo. Emperor is more about on the ego. It's all about the ego. Death card, hanggat kaya pa, hindi pa tatapusin, hindi ite-terminate yung process. Ako gagawa ng paraan, ako makakasalba nito. And although merong mas magaling sa'yo, parang hindi mo basta-basta natatanggap yun. Kahit na na-solve na ng iba, I'm also hearing you have to learn how to say thank you. Especially if ikaw yung nagsimula, hindi mo tinapos, nakaproblema, iba yung nagresolba. So, don't be an asshole. Okay? So, yun yung nakikita kong nakakainis sa'yo. Maganda yung idea mo most of the time. Pero yung step 1 until the final step, yun yung parang hindi mo siguro go through. Tapos iba yung napeperwisyo. What you need to focus on is, self-reflection. Huwag mong hantayin na ikaw na lang mag-isa, wala nang lumalapit sa'yo. And also, merong mga sinasuggest sa'yo na maybe you should reconsider. Kasi para sa'yo lang rin naman yun. And if you're going to do that, possible outcome, you can actually manage how to stand your ground in a healthy and in a non-toxic kind of way. Okay? Have accountability lang. Pagka hindi mo kinaya, say so. Pagka feel mo, nagkamali ka, apologize. Simple. Okay? Anyway, that's for you. Number 1, let's proceed kay number 2. I chose this pile. Anong nakakainis sa'yo? King of Wands, 2 of Pentacles, reverse. You're always invited to belong in a circle. King of Wands is the social butterfly. Pero, parang 2 Pentacles in reverse, you're too practical. Parang if there's nothing in it for me, don't include me. At saka, parang even your loved ones think na they are not needed. Humingi ka naman ng tulong, pero parang parang kung hindi na kailangan, bakit pa? I can stand on my own. So, ang napipicture out ko dito, number 2, is kinakaya mo, humingi ka ng tulong, tapos, tawag dito? Kasi dapat pag ganyan, hingi ka ng tulong, pero kinukonsider mo dapat yung situation ng isa. Pagka ganyan kasi is parang, I need the help now. Ito kailangan ko, ganito ang ine-expect ko. Pag hindi na pagbigyan, galit ka. Tapos, the hanged man is yung parang, di wag. Hindi na ko hingi ng tulong sa'yo at all. Pero dapat, parang binalanse mo dapat yung situation nung hiningan mo versus sa situation mo. Hindi naman kasi all the time. Pagka hingi mo, ganun, meron ka agad. Hindi. Especially if si King of Wands kasi more on, marami siyang obligations hindi lang ikaw. So, yun. Parang try to be more considerate din sa situation ng iba. Hindi yung nakatuto ka lang sa sarili mo. Okay, guilty as charged. Anyway, what do you need to focus on? 8 of Pentacles. Parang you're very secretive with what's going on with your life. Parang may pera ka pero kung hindi nila kailangang malaman, bakit ka kailangan ko pang i-disclose? And very ano ka, may pagka-selfish din. The Magician is parang you keep everybody guessing. Each and every hand has its own thing going on. So parang kung ano man tong knowledge na na-acquire mo sa sarili mo, sa'yo lang yun. Hindi mo siya ini-impart, hindi mo siya sinishare masyado. And then you make something out of it. Pero pagka may nagtatanong, pagka merong gustong magpaturo, parang parang aralin mo. Ako nga, inaral ko eh. Parang ganun. Yung parang, aside sa money, you're also kinda selfish when it comes to, sharing your knowledge. So, pwede ring, di ba, King of Wands, oy, punta tayo doon, attend tayo ng ganito, ng ganyan. I'm busy. Don't count me in. Tapos pagka pumunta naman doon or umattend naman doon sa invitation, sa gathering, biglang nagbibisi-bisihan, hindi nakakausap ng maayos. So, parang anong silbi ng pakikipag-socialize mo kung hindi ka naman nakikipag-interact? Now, try to focus on fixing this. Like, labas-labas din ng bahay pag may time. The Magician is, parang, yes, you're talented, pero hindi all the time dapat nakatuto ka sa kung anong magandang pagkaabalahan. Pwede namang mag-chill ka every now and then. And if you're going to do that, ayun, malalasan yung discomfort ng mga taong gustong makipag-interact sa'yo. Especially if you're single. Okay? Anyway, that's for you. Number 2. Let's proceed kay number 3. If you have chosen number 3, ang nakakainis sa'yo is masyado kang confident. Luck in the second try ang 9 of Cups reversed. Parang hindi ko nakuha ngayon, edi try natin next time. Tapos kung ano-anong gagawin mo, kung kanino ka lalapit, magpapaturo. Pero pagka may maganda ng result, nagkapera ka na o nag-award ka na, nagkaroon ka na ng recognition, na-promote ka na, parang thanks to me, hindi ako sumuko. Tapos yung mga tumulong sa'yo, parang ikaw lang ba talaga nag-effort niyan? Tumulong kami, di ba? So parang no, dadamdamin ko tong reward ko, itong recognition ko kasi it was all because of me. So try your best to, again, be considerate din dun sa mga naperwisyo mo. And also, don't forget to say thank you. Especially if nakapamirwisyo ka naman talaga. Now, what do you need to focus on? Yung mga pinagkakautangan, maybe ng money or ng pinagkakautangan ng loob. So parang don't cut them off all because you no longer need them. Mas maganda yung nag-end yung connection na in good terms. Para pagka kailangan mo ulit, makakalapit ka pa. Hindi yung iiwasan ka na kasi ingrata ka. And if you're going to do that, possible outcome, 10 of Cups reverse. Ito yung pag-iwas sa'yo kasi hindi nila deserve yung treatment mo. So, maiiwasan mo yung gawin sa'yo. Okay? Anyway, that's all I'm seeing here. For paid personal readings, nasa description box below lang yung link. And yeah, that'll be all.